Hi, this is Deepa Shivamurthy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Commerce and Management. In the last class, we discussed about statement and assumptions and statement and conclusions. Hope you have understood what I have told. Now, in this session, we will start a very important topic, cause and effect. So, what do you mean by a cause and effect? I'll give you an example. The prices of petrol and diesel are going up. I repeat once again, the prices of diesel and petrol are going up. Now, what is this? This is the cause. Now, what is the effect over here? When the prices of the diesel and petrol are going up, so what will happen? What will be the effect? The cost of living automatically will go up. I repeat once again, the cost of living will also go up automatically. Now, this is called as the cause and effect. Usually you have 5 options, A, B, C, D and E. If statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is its effect, mark A as the answer. If statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect, mark B as the answer. If both the statements 1 and 2 are independent causes, then you should mark C as the answer. If both the statements 1 and 2 are effects of the independent causes, then mark D as the answer. If both the statements 1 and 2 are effects of some common cause, then mark E as the answer. Now, I'll start with the first illustration. Number 1. The government has decided to make all the information related to primary education available to the general public. In the past, the general public did not have access to all this information related to primary education. Now, the answer for this is B. The second statement is the cause and the first statement is its effect. Now read the second statement. In the past, the general public did not have access to all this information related to primary education, meaning the general public could not have any access to any of the information which was related to primary education. So this is a fact. So what is the effect? The government has decided to make all the information related to primary education available to the general public. So statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. So the answer is B. We'll move on to the second illustration. Just see these two statements. The first statement. The employees of the biggest bank in the country have given an indefinite strike call starting from 3rd of the next month. The employees of the central government have withdrawn their week-long demonstrations. So by seeing the above two statements, you can easily come to the conclusion that these effects are totally independent. So what is the answer for this? The answer is D. Just observe the first sentence. The employees of the biggest bank in the country have given an indefinite strike call starting from 3rd of the next month. So here it is connected with employees. See the next one. The employees of the central government have withdrawn their week-long demonstrations. There they have given a call. Here they have withdrawn. So what does it mean? So these are the effects of independent causes. Therefore, D is the answer. Shall we go to the next one? 3. Police resorted to lathi charge to disperse the unlawful gathering of large number of people. The Citizens Forum called a general strike in protest against the police atrocities. Now, what is the answer for this? The answer for this is B. Just observe that the statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. The Citizens Forum called a general strike in protest against the police atrocities. So they called a strike. Later, police resorted to lathi charge to disperse the unlawful gathering of large number of people. Going on strike, you should always remember, this is totally illegal. Without giving a notice, we cannot go on strike. So what is the answer for this? Statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. Therefore, B is the answer. We move on to the fourth illustration. The performance of most of the students in the final exam of class 10th in the schools run by the government was excellent. Many teachers of the government schools left the school and joined private schools. After reading both the statements, you can easily tell that D is the answer. So these are the effects of independent causes. The first one talks about students and the second one talks about teachers. So what is the answer for this? The answer is D. We move on to the next one, fifth one. The University Authority has instructed all the colleges under its jurisdiction to ban use of all phones inside the college premises. Majority of the teachers of the colleges signed a joint petition to the university complaining the disturbances caused by cell phone ringtones inside the classrooms. See, here I would like to give you an example as a teacher. Nowadays, most of the students, they use mobiles in the classroom. It becomes a disturbance for the teachers. So automatically, what can the teachers do? They can sign a joint petition and give it to the university. So what will be the result? The university may take a decision to ban the use of all the phones within the college premises. So what can be the answer over here? Just understand that over here, these two things, the first one and the second one, are correlated. So what is the answer for this? Simple, like as I told you, statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. We move on to the sixth one, the last one. Most of the steel producing companies in the country have made considerable profit during the last financial year. Many Asian countries have been importing huge quantities of steel from India. The answer is very easy over here. Statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. The explanation is just like this. Many Asian countries have been importing huge quantities of steel from India. So when they start importing the steel from India, automatically it is understood that most of the steel producing companies in our country will naturally make considerable profit during the last financial year. So today we have discussed cause and effect, and I have given you 6 illustrations along with explanation. Thank you. Have a nice day.